lifting rocks.
I failed you, Ben. I'm sorry.
I'm sure you are. The Resistance is dead. The war is over. And when I kill you, I will have killed the last Jedi.
Amazing. Every word of what you just said was wrong. The rebellion is reborn today. The war is just beginning. And I will not be the last Jedi.
Ready, set, go.
Hey, what's up guys? What's up YouTube?
My name is Martin and this is my daddy Ray guys.
Hey, and we have Rio right here. Yeah.
And I'm wearing Star Wars.
Yeah, and he's wearing Star Wars, of course, because today...
We and Daddy.
Yes, because today we're going to unbox the new release of Hottoys. This is a Star Wars Luke Skywalker Crait.
Version
Yeah.
from the movie The Last Jedi.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Open it. It's open.
Let's open it. So we just pick up this one. Earlier we received the message to pick up this Luke Skywalker Crait version. Of course, this is the box. Yeah, the basic box of Star Wars, which is black. Yes.
This one where he teleported. Oh, this terrible name.
Yes, and then of course you can see at the back where he has another print.
Oh yes, he
A
has
nice
it.
print
Wait,
with a
sandy back.
yeah, it's like a sunset
Or sunny.
or sun. Yeah.
Sand.
Or sun. Yeah, but of course, like it looks like a like coming from the sun, right?
Something
so
like that.
let's check it out. So this is MMS 507. Yes. Yeah, and then this, of course, another picture of him, another print. Then wow. So there you go, guys. So you can see right there what's inside the box right away. Let's open the
Guided box.
sorry.
Sorry, boy. It's a cave.
Let's take a look.
3 pairs of hands.
Okay, sorry. So he has 3 pairs of hands.
An extra arm with the light.
Yeah, with the light
And
effect.
then the lightsaber. No, 4.
I no, sorry. Actually, it's not 4 pair. It's not 3 pairs of hands. So he has 4 pieces of left hand, bare hand.
You don't touch
He has this right hand.
the glove.
Yeah, with the gloves, of
For
course.
holding the lightsaber.
This one is
Yes.
it.
And then
Can I hold that?
his lightsaber.
Can I hold it?
Yes.
Whoa.
So this one is different. It's more like a green blue,
Wait a minute.
something like that, something close to, right? So it's different.
Yeah, the two said that.
Yeah, something different. Yeah, of course. Yeah, his extra right arm with the light up, yeah, or LED light up, and then next is, of course, yeah, extra joint right here.
Yeah,
Okay, can I
and
see
the
that?
batteries.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the two kids.
And then here he has.
Bracelet.
What's that?
There you go.
What's this?
Oh, I don't know. Actually, I don't know what's this.
I know that's that.
We will check later on. Yeah. Let's get the figure. Nice. Very nice. So this version of Luke Skywalker is from the movie.
The Last Jedi.
Yes, from the movie Last Jedi. The Last Jedi. So
Some
just
kind of
remove the plastic. There you go, guys. Oops.
Oh no!
So let's get the base right here.
The red
So let's
planet.
get the base.
And this for this thing on the red planet.
Yeah. Red planet. Is it the red planet?
I don't know what its name, but could even get the weights. The weights one, the thing, the hawk's master.
So there's something wrong with this base.
Base. Yeah.
It's like it's not sure.
That too. This is.
See? You can see right here, guys.
Yeah, not
It's not even. It's not flat somehow. It's I don't know.
It's our table. Well, don't touch it, Daddy. You don't touch it.
Yeah. So I have to like really press it, like putting it together somehow. Somehow the top one, the top part of this base is. It's not really fully attached to the bottom part of this base. So somehow so that's why it's not even, you know, wobbling. But now it's a bit fine now. It's a bit okay now.
It's cool, Daddy.
Yes. So you can see there's a mark
Oh, this is.
of his feet on this base. So somehow it also like gives additional like balance or stability
The beauty
to this
and
figure
the hawk's mouth.
for him not to, you know, wobble
You know,
somehow.
that's how we do.
The right hand.
Wait, no, the case can put away.
Yes.
Yes,
Right?
you
So there you go, guys. So not that much of accessories, of course. Yeah, just the figure and the hands. Only this one, only of course the lightsaber, and then this one. We don't know it. Well, what is this actually? So just a quick review, guys. As I said earlier, not that much of accessories, only that thing. So you can see, even I checked the manual. Even the manual doesn't indicate the name of that accessory. Yeah, only the lightsaber, how to put that, or how to put the batteries. That's the lightsaber. Yes. Okay, and then of course this one is the light up hand. And yes, the figure is very nice, guys. I mean, of course the likeness from the movie, The Last Jedi, and of course the robe is different compared to the other Jedi's suit or robe, and then yeah, the quality of this robe or the suit, his suit is very nice. So that wiring on the edges, like, you know, that in the movie, maybe putting the effect of like with the wind and flowing. But in the other parts of his robe, it doesn't have any strings. Only the bottom part of this robe. Yes. Okay. And of course, the head sculpt is very nice. Yeah. Well, for me, I mean, maybe some others will not see it yet if you're not close enough to this figure. But then for me, I think it's yeah, the likeness is somehow is like 95%. You know. Yeah. And then actually the facial expression of this Luke Skywalker Crait version has like a little bit of like side, like something like more to his left, not stroke, but it's more like yeah, there's something like, you know, that he has some facial expression that you know, you can see the distortion of his left cheek, which is, I somehow remember that part in the movie Last Jedi. And then of course the articulation is very, it's, you know, it's very nice too, you know. in the knee part, on his knees, the articulation, the joint is, I can feel that it's very nice. Oops, the legs.
You get that.
I mean,
This is the.
you can feel. Yeah, it's very nice, guys. I mean, even his belt is very nice too. Yeah, I mean figure right there. I see. Of course, his hood has the wirings too. Yeah, right. So how about you, Marty? What can you say about this figure?
The head sculpt is really nice. It's like they always like right place of the mold. And good thing they always remember that.
The mole?
Yeah.
Yeah,
good thing they
yeah,
always
yes,
remember
yes,
it.
yeah. Some small moles on his
Yeah.
face. Yeah.
And then the hair is almost the same as like the one when he was in the mountain.
So yeah, as we said, this is like the
turn?
wait. This is like the illusion version, right? So
Yes,
yeah, like younger version of that old Luke Skywalker.
He was just like projecting himself.
Yes, exactly.
And his cloak is really nice.
Yeah,
very soft.
his robe. Yeah, it's very nice. I mean, it's different, right, guys?
Yes.
I mean, like, it's good to
It's very
always see like Hottoys making a different feel, different material. Of
It's
this.
kind of like a Sith. You know,
Uh-huh.
that is the robe.
Yeah, kinda.
And then the base is really like confusing. It's like blood in the snow. Right,
Yes.
But it's actually just red dust.
And then, as I said earlier, you can see the this one. This is the oh, sorry. The new wait yeah.
It's the same.
No, it's the same. Yeah, this one is the New Hope.
Luke Skywalker.
Luke Skywalker lightsaber. Well, yeah, maybe because of the Last Jedi, so he has a more new version of lightsaber, so that's why it's different. So that's why I'm saying that. And this one is the Obi-Wan Kenobi. So almost the same with Obi-Wan Kenobi. Oh, maybe that's why. So somehow it really matches to Obi-Wan Kenobi's lightsaber.
But on the end of Obi-Wan Kenobi is a bit like.
How about the other one there?
Yeah. I mean, like, this one is more lighter blue, right? Yeah, so it's very nice, guys. It's very nice figure. I mean, of course, if you're a fan of Star Wars and of course, and also Luke Skywalker, for me, this one is a must. Of course, it's a good part of your diorama fighting with Kylo Ren, right?
Yeah.
If you're going to put an extra diorama for Kylo Ren. So, and then of course the base. Yeah, only that earlier you can see, as I said earlier. It's not even. I mean, there's like something they rush it, that base.
There's like kind of a bump.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm gonna check it later on again. Okay, so I think that's it, guys. How about you, Ryu? What can you say about this figure?
We have gauntlet and then
Gauntlet, yes.
Gloves.
and they give
The lightsaber.
and then
This one, that one, yes.
And
The feet, nice too, right?
in this what's this?
The robe,
Robe
yes.
and
The shoes. The boots.
Yes.
The
Okay.
boots.
yes.
Boots, right? That's it.
Yes, the boots.
Yeah.
That's
So
it?
again, guys, yeah, for me the head sculpt is very nice. I mean, it's not off. It's not off, guys. I mean, Last Jedi, but I remember the face. It's
Luke Skywalker.
almost the same. So that's it, guys. So what are you gonna say to them, Martin, Ryu?
If you want to watch our next video, please subscribe down below and leave a like.
Yeah, leave a like. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you for watching.
Hit the
Yeah.
notification bell.
Peace out. Peace out. Yeah.